Again, so just check in. How are you this pandemic? We understand that a lot of businesses were affected or affected by this crisis. So today we will understand when to use the word affect and effect in a sentence. So affect is primarily used as a verb, which means to influence or make a difference to. And since this is a verb, we can have present, past, and future tense. Its present tense can be affect in plural form and affects with s in singular form. And to use in past tense, just simply add ed and you'll have the word affected. To use in future tense, just add ing and you will have the word affecting. Effect, on the other hand, is used as a noun, which means a result or an influence. And since this is a noun, we cannot have present, past, and future tense. We can only have singular and plural effect. We cannot have, or we cannot put ed or effected, since this is not a verb, and we cannot also have ing or the word effecting. That's no. So in my sentence earlier, the way to say it is this: a lot of businesses were affected by this crisis. In effect, 45% of the Filipinos lost their job. But don't worry, there are still a lot of positive things that are happening in this negative situation. So keep your faith, keep safe, and keep learning. Bye!